Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to pay high respect to my parent, teacher, lady and gentlemen. How are you? I'm fine. Today, I want to talk about myself. My name is Thida. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student. I study general education at Honsai Girls' Secondary School. I'm in grade 8. I like studying math and English. I study English at school or educational training for home in short. My teacher name is Channa. I'm from Cambodia. I'm Cambodian. I live in Seoul Village on Kersau Community, Mesan District, Private Province. In the future, I want to be a teacher. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your watching. Goodbye.
Okay.
Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to pay high respect to my parents, teacher, lady and gentlemen. How are you? I'm fine today. I want to talk about myself. My name is Yanot. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student. I study general education at Honsai Secondary School. I'm in grade 8. I like studying math and English. I study English at School of Educational Training for Hope in short. My teacher name is Channa. I'm from Cambodia. I'm Cambodian. I live in Seoul Village on Kersau Community, Mesan District, Private Province. In the future, I want to be a doctor. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your watching. Goodbye.
Okay.
Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to pay high respect to my parents, teacher, lady and gentlemen. How are you? I'm fine today. I want to talk about myself. My name is Rotana. I'm 11 years old. I'm a student. I study general education at Honsai Secondary School. I'm in grade 8. I like studying math and English. I study English at School of Educational Training for Hope in short. My teacher name is Channa. I'm from Cambodia. I'm Cambodian. I live in Seoul in Kersau Community, Mesan District, Private Province. In the future, I want to be a teacher. That's all for my presentation. Thank you
Very much.
very much for your watching. Goodbye.
Okay.